specially made for sensitive baby skin. This detergent is designed for babies who have delicate or allergy-prone skin. The formula focuses on being gentle and safe so that wash clothes do not irritate the baby's skin. Fragrance-free formula. Unlike many detergents, this one is fragrance-free. That means it doesn't leave strong artificial smells on clothes, which can sometimes trigger irritation in newborns or sensitive babies. Plant-based cleaning ingredients. The detergent uses plant-based cleansers and natural ingredients like neem, soapnut, and aloe vera that help clean clothes while remaining gentle on fabric and skin. Helps remove stains and odor. Even though it's gentle, it can still remove common baby stains like milk spills, food stains, and diaper leaks, while also removing unpleasant odors from clothes. No harsh chemicals. The formula is free from SLS, parabens, dyes, bleach, and other harsh additives. It's also dermatologically tested and designed to leave minimal residue on clothes. Mild cleaning power for tough stains. Because the formula is very gentle, extremely tough stains like dried food or oil may need pretreatment or a second wash. Limited foam, which some people expect. Since it's made with mild ingredients, it produces less foam than regular detergents. Some users feel like it's not cleaning well even though it still works. Slightly higher price than regular detergents. Baby-specific detergents are usually more expensive than normal laundry detergents, so frequent washing can increase monthly costs.
Top comments by users. Listen, dear viewer. Check these things before accepting the parcel.